Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to open a watch back with a screwdriver. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a watch, and on the back of this watch is a watch backing. Now this is the type of watch backing that you can pop off, and this is very important. If you are looking at the type of watch backing that requires you to unscrew it, this method will not work. This is obviously only for watch backs that require you to pop them off. I'm using a very small, extremely small screwdriver that I have as part of this precision screwdriver set right here. This is what the screwdriver set looks like. Very simple. I'm just using one of the smallest ones that I have, one of the smallest flatheads that I have, okay? You basically want to use a screwdriver head that will fit into the little notch on the back of the watch. Now, here's where you need to use your eyes and look very closely. If you take a look right there, you can see that there's a little bit of a notch on the backing of the watch. That's where you have to pop it off. So you want to locate that. That's the first step. Second step, you want to make sure that your screwdriver head can fit all the way underneath. You don't want it just brushing up against it like that, because then you're just going to end up scratching your watch, or you're just going to end up not getting it to work. So take it with the flathead, lay it flat against the backing of the actual watch piece right here, and then slide it underneath the backing. So flat against that piece right there, slide it underneath the backing, okay? And I'm going to bring it further away so I can sort of see what I'm doing. Rather than looking on the camera screen, you want to sort of get that underneath, and then you want to sort of pop it up. So just dig it underneath and then just pop it up just like that. As you can see right there, I have now removed the watch backing from this watch right here. This is a stainless steel watch backing. Not that it makes a difference, but that's what I was about to say. I've removed this stainless steel watch backing from this watch using a screwdriver. And this is a great method if you don't have the right tools, or if you don't have the right tools on hand. I personally have the right tools to remove this watch and put it back together, but I don't have them on hand right now. So I was able to just use the screwdriver to get the job done. And that's basically it. That is how to remove, how to open a watch back with a screwdriver. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.